Chapter 19, AI for Industrial Control Systems, ICS, and IoT Cybersecurity, a story of resilience in the digital age. In today's hyper-connected world, technology is woven into the very fabric of our lives. From powering industrial machinery to streamlining urban living, the interplay between systems like industrial control systems, ICS, and the Internet of Things, IoT, has revolutionized industries. However, this newfound efficiency comes with a shadow, a vulnerability to cyber threats. Enter artificial intelligence, AI, the sentinel of modern cybersecurity. Imagine a sprawling manufacturing plant where massive machines hum in synchronized rhythm, tirelessly producing goods. Or picture a smart city illuminated by intelligent streetlights and sustained by an intricate web of IoT devices managing everything from traffic to water supply. These marvels of efficiency rely on constant data flow, but a single breach could disrupt operations or even endanger lives. This is where AI steps in, not as a luxury, but as a necessity. The role of AI in ICS and IoT security. AI serves as the vigilant guardian of ICS and IoT networks, harnessing its predictive capabilities to detect and counter cyber threats. Unlike traditional methods that rely on manual monitoring, AI operates at the speed of thought, sifting through immense data streams, identifying anomalies, and taking decisive action, all in real time. Detecting threats before they strike. Threat detection is the bedrock of cybersecurity, and AI transforms it into an art of precision. Consider a manufacturing facility. Every machine churns out gigabytes of operational data daily, from temperature fluctuations to pressure readings. Embedded AI systems can analyze these data points in real time, flagging anything unusual, say a sudden spike in network traffic or a deviation in machine performance. These could be the digital fingerprints of malware or hacking attempts, allowing the system to sound the alarm before any damage is done. Now shift your focus to a smart city. Here, thousands of IoT devices communicate incessantly. An AI-powered system notices when a streetlight begins consuming abnormally high energy or establishes a suspicious connection to an unknown server. It doesn't just notice, it acts, ensuring the city's infrastructure remains secure. With AI's vigilant eyes, organizations can shift from reactive responses to proactive defenses, nipping threats in the bud before they escalate into full-blown crises. Automated responses, AI takes the helm. The hallmark of AI-driven security lies in its ability to respond instantly. Picture an industrial control system managing a power grid. One day, an unusual surge in data traffic is detected, an early sign of a potential breach. Without waiting for human intervention, the AI isolates the affected device, cutting it off from the network and preventing the attacker from penetrating further. In the financial sector, think of an ATM network that begins to exhibit odd communication patterns or prolonged transaction times. AI doesn't hesitate. It disconnects the compromised ATM and triggers security protocols to safeguard customer data. Such automated responses minimize damage and free up human cybersecurity teams to tackle more complex challenges. Securing sensor networks, AI's silent vigil. Sensor networks are the unsung heroes of industries ranging from agriculture to oil and gas. These distributed devices collect critical data, soil moisture levels for farming, or pressure readings in pipelines. But their very nature makes them vulnerable to cyber intrusions. In precision farming, for instance, compromised sensor data could mislead decisions, impacting crop health and yield. AI prevents this by continuously monitoring sensor outputs, detecting irregularities like abrupt data spikes that may indicate tampering. Similarly, in oil fields, AI analyzes sensor data to catch anomalies that could signal hacking attempts. A sudden drop in flow rate or unauthorized access to a remote drilling site triggers an immediate investigation, averting potential disasters. Protecting critical infrastructure, the nation's lifeline. Now imagine the stakes rising even higher. Critical infrastructure such as power grids and water treatment plants form the backbone of society. A successful cyber attack here isn't just an inconvenience, it's a catastrophe. Take the case of a power grid, a labyrinth of stations, lines, and devices working in harmony. An AI system integrated into this network acts as a digital watchdog, detecting unusual behavior, like an unauthorized access attempt or abnormal power fluctuations. Its timely intervention prevents outages that could plunge entire cities into darkness. At a water treatment plant, AI detects sudden changes in chemical dosing levels, a red flag for a potential attack. By isolating the threat and notifying operators, it safeguards not only the facility but also the health of countless individuals relying on clean water. The road ahead. As industries and cities become increasingly connected, the role of AI in cybersecurity will only grow more vital. Its ability to predict, detect, and act ensures that ICS and IoT systems remain resilient against evolving threats. In this digital era where a single vulnerability can ripple across sectors, AI serves as the cornerstone of a secure, interconnected future. In this unfolding story of innovation and vigilance, AI isn't just a tool, it's the unsleeping guardian of progress.